English-Danish travel phrase. Where is equals.
Hvor er.
Welcome, your travel superpower. Hey do. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to find anything, anywhere? Imagine you're in a station with a map upside down. You smile and ask.
Hvor er.
Boom, doors of knowledge open. 2-beat rhythm.
Hvor er.
Clap, clap. Today you'll master it and get directions like a local. Your goal today. You'll ask for places clearly and understand the first answers you'll hear. Core phrase. Where is equals.
Hvor er.
False friend alert. Don't mix with.
Hvordan er.
How is, or.
Hvad er.
What is. Optional variant.
Hvor ligger.
Also means, where is, located. Mini dialogue at the info desk. Listen and repeat, do lead the scene. You, excuse me.
Hvor er toilet?
Local. Down the hall, turn.
Venstre.
Then.
Højre.
You, great, thanks. You.
Hvor er station?
Local. Straight ahead, it's.
I nærheden.
You.
Hvor er museum?
Local. 2 blocks, then.
Højre.
You, and.
Hvor er hotel?
Local. Check your map.
Har du et kort?
If not, I can give.
Hjælp.
Direction drill. Quick fire practice. Say it out loud, do got this. Where is the toilet? Say.
Hvor er toilet?
Where is the station? Say.
Hvor er station?
Where is the museum? Say.
Hvor er museum?
Where is the hotel? Say.
Hvor er hotel?
Is it nearby? Say.
Er det i nærheden?
Left or right? Say.
Venstre.
Or.
Højre.
Do you have a map? Say.
Har du et kort?
I need help. Say.
Jeg har brug for hjælp.
Culture tip. Tivoli and Nyhaven. Sound polite, get great answers, easy win. At Tivoli Gardens or by colorful Nyhaven, start with a friendly smile and ask.
Hvor er.
Danes appreciate clarity. Bonus tip. If signs confuse you, try.
Hvor ligger.
Or simply ask if it's.
I nærheden.
If your GPS forgets reality, your mouth won't.
Hvor er station?
Quiz time. Test yourself, answer, then I reveal it after the pause. 1. How do you ask, where is, in Danish? Answer.
Hvor er.
2. Say, where is the station? Answer.
Hvor er station?
3. Which one asks for location?
Hvad er.
Or.
Hvor er.
Answer.
Hvor er.
4. Translate, is it nearby? Answer.
Er det i nærheden?
5. Which way is left, and which is right? Answer.
Venstre.
Equals left.
Højre.
Equals right. Challenge mode. Level up with a playful mission. Find 3 objects around you and pretend you're lost in Copenhagen. Ask out loud.
Hvor er toilet? Hvor er museum? Hvor er hotel?
Then add.
Er det i nærheden?
And follow with either.
Venstre.
Or.
Højre.
As your imaginary turn. If stuck, request.
Hjælp.
And check your imaginary.
Kort.
Goodbye and next steps. You crushed it, high five. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Hvor er.
With your daily routes, ask for.
Station. Museum.
Or.
Hotel.
Even in your living room tour. For more lessons and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Talk and see you next time.